2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Quick update on the progress of the bathroom. A couple of things, finishing touches to do, but otherwise close to done. Gotta buy the threshold, put it in, and then we got the molding repainted as you saw and put in. Need to do some touch up to some caulk work around the nail holes. The cabinet is back in. Need to just attach the plumbing, really simple stuff. Gonna get a new white vessel sink instead of the blue one to match so the purple walls don't kind of clash with the blue. Old light fixture just kind of cleaned up, put back in. We'll rehang the mirror. Plumbers are coming out tomorrow to put in to flush out the actual sewer pipe, actually mount it to the level of the finished floor. I could do it myself, but we already paid for it, so they're coming back out. So then we'll be able to put the toilet back in place, hook it back up, and have 2 bathrooms again, thank goodness, right? Some touch-up work, you can see just some nicks on the wall from, you know, working in here, doing the floors and the molding. So I will come back in with a paintbrush, touch that up. I'm going to just touch up the white on that trim there. And then I was waiting for the ceiling, the walls to fully dry so I could tape off and just do the edges with the paint on the ceiling. The ceiling actually had a couple of patches that I wanted to do, so that's the patchwork I just need to sand down, and pretty easy stuff. Sand down, paint it with white, and there we go. Everything is back in place. Freshly painted door. It was looking pretty rough from all the cat scratches and everything. Even painted the inside of that threshold as well. When I touch up the paint or the caulk on the molding there, I'm going to go ahead and fix up the other areas that the cats kind of chewed up there with their nails. So I'll caulk in that a little bit. Otherwise, probably good, 15 minutes here and there, touch up work, and the bathroom's done.
Alrighty everybody, we have our bathroom back. They came and put the toilet back in, thank God. So now we just need to put all of our accessories back on the walls, but we do have the baseboards in. We have our sink. We will be replacing the blue sink with a white one. And of course we have our new lavender walls.